My name's Captain Ryan Wenzel. I run four-wheel charters in Islamorada, Florida, and I use ceramic pro on my boat. It makes it a lot easier at the end of the day to come in and wash the boat and not have to worry about taking a ton of time. Just gets the job done quicker, don't have to use chemicals on the deck, and blood and footprints won't stick like they would before. It makes it just way easier, and I wouldn't build a boat without having ceramic coating on it.
It will amaze you how much different it looks after this stuff has been.
It's a really cool product that helps accomplish one of the biggest goals that people have, and that is to keep their boat looking good, looking new, and looking awesome for a long period of time.
Now when we apply the coating on the propellers, especially the big propellers, is going up in RPM a lot faster, and that makes that acceleration